Hi.
Hey.
This is Janie Lee. The Pinterest PI. I almost said the other word. Pinterest PI. P for possible. I for impossible. Welcome to another Fun Fast Friday, or the kids like to call it the FFF. Well, because it's Friday, we're gonna do something fun and something that is fast. All right. So before we start, we do have this new tradition that we're going to start with a riddle. So the riddle is, go ahead, you want to say it?
You're stuck in a room and there's 3 doors. One door has a killer, one door has a lion that hasn't eaten in 3 years, and the other one has a shark full of tanks. Which door would you go through?
Which door would you go through? And that is the only way you can survive. You must go through one of the doors in order to escape that room and not be stuck forever. So, which one will you choose? The one with... Hi, E. Hi, Abby. So, if you're stuck in a room with 3 doors and you're trying to get out, there's only one way out. Door number 1 is full of... Killers. Door number 2 is full of...
A lion that hasn't eaten in 3 years.
And the 3rd room is full of...
A tank full of sharks.
A tank full of sharks. Wait a minute. But I want to go through that one because if they're in the tank, then I'm safe.
No, I mean like the whole room is filled with water and sharks.
So if I open the door, then all the water comes in?
Yeah, then you'll drown. And the sharks will eat you.
So let's think about that. Alright, so let's see. Oh, my photobomber today. Didn't introduce him. So you had to say hello a few times. Alright, so let's see what we're going to make today. I am so tired. We had a baby shower earlier today. And so I thought, hey, these things are cute. Let's try to make these for on the show. So this is really easy one. Let's see what we're going to do. Hi, Kimmy. So today we're going to make these tissue paper pom-poms. We did them for the shower earlier and they looked great in the room. So let's see what we need. Alright, I got assorted colored tissue paper. We'll make really small ones today, just so you can use it as like a bow for your presents or something. So all we need is tissue paper, a little bit of string, and a pair of scissors. So what color do you want to do?
That one.
That one it is. Alright.
Blue.
So, I only have 1 sheet, and this is pretty big. I want my pom-pom to be small, like kind of like this size. Oh look, there's a little hole, I can see you. Yes, I'm being silly because I am so tired. I'm pretty much delirious right now. Okay, so we need about 8 sheets. So what I'm doing right now is I'm about to cut this 1 sheet in half. So I fold it in half, and now I'm going to cut down the middle.
Are you making a blanket for me? Mommy, do I have to fold it like that way or that way?
Whichever way you want. And now I'm going to fold it. Hi, Danny. Thanks for watching.
Danny.
Why did I get bunny ears in the back? Look at that. Alright, so now I'm going to fold it in half again. And I'm going to cut along the side. So now I have a stack of 4 sheets of tissue papers with me. That I'll fold it in half one more time. And now I have 8 sheets. Alright. So now I have 8 sheets of paper. and I'm going to fan fold the whole stack together. So fan fold means fold it this way, fold it that way, right? Back and forth. Ew, ew, ew.
So how many times? That? A little more?
8. That's 4. You got 4, so you want to do it a little bit more. Alright. So I'm going to make my little fan fold a little thinner. Just like that. So I'm going to fan fold all the way to the end. I can't really see what I'm doing. It doesn't matter. Because it's a flower. And flowers in nature are not always neat.
I got neat. 8.
You got neat?
I got neat.
So, are you guys thinking about how to escape that room? So there's 3 doors, one full of killers,
1 killer.
one with a lion that hasn't eaten in 3 years, and a tank of shark that would eat you up. Alright, now I have my fan folded tissue paper.
I know
What I'm going to do at the ends are I'm just going to make a little U shape on this end and a little U shape on this end so that it is not so uneven here.
Should I do it better?
Yes. Make it a little thinner. Like this, right? Or you can make it pointy. Let's make it pointy because pointy is easier. I keep getting these little points in the back. So to make it pointy, I'm just going to cut with a lot of tissue papers. And cut it this way. Alright.
Confetti.
Yeah, you get to make confetti at the same time. So now I got a point right there. Now on this side, I'm going to cut it so that I get a point on this side as well. Oops, I'm going to go that way.
You make it.
I know, I'm making it shorter and shorter. I'm trying to go even. Alright, so I got 2 points, right? 1 point, 2 point. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little piece of string and tie it in the middle.
I think I know how to do this. We did fabric pom-poms once.
We did?
Yeah, remember? And then you
The
put
tulle. And then we made little tulle flowers and we put it in our headbands, right?
Yeah.
Well, this one you can hang up in your room. You can use it for party. Or you can decorate a gift.
Mommy, I think I made like the tissue paper, the flowers down. Is this
I think I got these for Mother's Day. This is why I love this so much. Yes, that's perfect.
Because I made it
So I'm just going to cut it like that.
for you.
Now, watch the magic happen.
Can I do it?
Wait, so you're going to open it up like that.
Yeah, I know.
Hi,
this.
Linda.
Mine did was 4 feet.
And then open it like this. And now look, you can almost see the flower already.
Now you can shape the two,
And then now we're just going to open up, separate all the sheets very carefully. You want to get all the folds, get it as close to the center as possible, just like that. With the other side.
Mommy,
can you find my flowers for Mother's Day so I can show everybody?
Oh.
Wait till I finish. Alright, so we're just going to fluff all the layers out. And if you fluff both sides, then guess what? You get a nice pom-pom ball.
Mom, can you start cutting?
Yes.
Can you help me?
Yes. So as soon as I finish this, I will help you with that. Careful. See, I'm going to fluff the other side. So that way we will have a pom-pom instead of flowers. I love the flower. So nobody answered the question. The question was, how do you escape that room with the 3 scary doors? Do you go to room A?
B.
Door A, I'm sorry. Door A with the killer. Door B with the hungry lion. Or door C with the shark. How do you escape that room? And look, I just got a couple more layers to go.
I feel like everyone is watching right now.
You feel like everyone is watching right now? Everyone that's on right now is watching. Does that make sense?
Oh yeah, it's that.
Alright. We got just a few more layers to go.
One really hard.
Did I miss any? Yes, I did. I missed some on this side. So let's get these two.
It's really hard to get them out when you fold.
No, they're not.
Yeah, what if you risk it?
That's why you gotta be careful. I'm watching you, Justin. See? That's what Linda said.
Mommy.
Hi, Beth.
Mommy.
All right.
It's under
Wait, stop.
Make it look like it's under my head.
It's under your head like this.
No,
Pow, 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 pow.
no.
So, ta-da! I have a cute little pom-pom. If you make these bigger, you can hang them from the ceiling. You can make them all different sizes and hang them from the ceiling. I think that would be really cool. It'll look really great at parties. And if you have different colors,
It's a wrecking ball.
It's not a wrecking ball. It's too cute to be a wrecking ball.
In different colors, though, right?
And you can layer them in different color. You can do an ombre kind of look. You can do rainbow kind of look. We did pink and purple flowers earlier for our baby shower. Have fun with it. So, what is the answer? Which door do you want to try to open to escape the room?
B. The door with the lion, because if you don't eat in 3 years, then you'll die.
The door with the lion that hasn't been fed in 3 years, because if he wasn't fed in 3 years, he'd be dead. Me, I have to eat every 3 minutes.
Really?
Hi, Claire.
So you have to walk out.
So here is my Mother's Day pom-pom flowers. My tissue. I got 2 of them. I'm so lucky. I'm the luckiest mom in the world.
Or
All right.
you like more?
I love them both.
You love this.
I love that one too. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.
Make some and show us.
Yes, make some and show us, please. All right, take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Peace.
Love you guys.
Peace.